Hello everyone. Are you coming to Pakistan or India, or you might just like to order butter chicken or biryani from a local restaurant in your city? Today we are going to learn real life Urdu in a restaurant. I'm going to teach you some common phrases that you can use in a restaurant. Before moving forward, I want to introduce myself to people who are new here. My name is Sara, and on this channel, I teach Urdu as a second language. I teach online as well on these language websites. I teach grammar and vocabulary, so if you're coming to Pakistan or if you just want to learn Urdu, it's going to be very helpful. First of all, to eat out is bahar khana khana. Bahar khana khana. या रेस्टोरेंट में खाना खाना. रेस्टोरेंट में, in the restaurant, खाना, food, खाना is to eat. So खाना is a noun as well as the verb. खाना खाना is to eat food. Restaurant में खाना खाना. This is the base form. Let's conjugate it. मैं रेस्टोरेंट में खाना खाऊंगी. मैं रेस्टोरेंट में, I in the restaurant, खाना, food, खाऊंगी, will eat. आज मैं रेस्टोरेंट में खाना खाऊंगी. मैं हफ्ते में एक बार रेस्टोरेंट में खाना खाती हूँ. This is the present simple tense. I eat out once a week. If you come to Pakistan and you are a vegetarian or a vegan, always call the restaurant and ask them if there are vegan options available. Most of the Pakistani restaurants have dal or sabzi available, but you always call them to make sure, because there are always salads, dal or sabzi available in the restaurants. So when you call them, you can ask, क्या आपके पास सब्जी की कोई डिश है? क्या आपके पास? आपके पास means do you have. आप is you. के पास is have. Urdu doesn't have the verb have. So we use ke paas as have. Ke paas is a postposition, but we use it as have. Aapke paas means do you have. Sabzi ki dish hai. Sabzi means vegetable. Ki means of. Dish is a dish. Vegetable dish. Sabzi ki dish. Hai means is. Is there any vegetarian options available? Kya aapke paas koi sabzi ki dish hai? So now you're entering a restaurant. The waiter will ask, कितने लोग हैं? कितने लोग हैं? कितने means how many. लोग हैं is people. कितने लोग हैं? How many people are there? कितने लोग हैं? If you're just one, you'll just say एक. And if you're four, चार. Or if you're two, दो. दो लोग हैं. There are two people. दो लोग हैं. So suppose now you're settled down and you don't like your table. You can just ask the waiter like this. क्या मैं खिड़की के पास वाली मेज़ पर बैठ सकता हूँ? क्या मैं, am I? खिड़की के पास means near the window. खिड़की is a window. खिड़की के पास वाली seat. Like wali means the table near the window. खिड़की वाली seat. पर on बैठ सकता हूँ. बैठना is to sit. बैठ सकना is to be able to sit. बैठ सकता हूँ. खिड़की के पास वाली टेबल पर बैठ सकता हूँ. You can even say, क्या मैं खिड़की के पास बैठ सकता हूँ? क्या मैं खिड़की के पास बैठ सकता हूँ? Can I sit near the window? In Pakistan, in most of the fancy restaurants, the waiter can speak English. And the menu is mostly in English and Roman Urdu. Now you're happy with the table, you can just ask them to bring the menu. You'll say, menu laiye. Menu laiye. Lana is to bring. Laiye is the imperative, a polite imperative. Menu laiye. This is a request or a polite command. It is good to use formal imperatives with the waiters. The waiter is here and you want to ask what's special here. यहाँ क्या ख़ास है? यहाँ क्या ख़ास है? What is special here? ख़ास is special. यहाँ is here. यहाँ क्या ख़ास है? यहाँ क्या ख़ास है? What is special here? Or you can say यहाँ सबसे अच्छा क्या है? यहाँ सबसे अच्छा क्या है? सबसे अच्छा is best. What is the best here? What is the most delicious food here? यहाँ सबसे अच्छा क्या है? A lot of times for American and European palate, Pakistani and Indian food is a bit spicy. So if you want less spicy food, you can ask them, इसमें कम मिर्चों वाली डिश कौन सी है? इसमें means in this. इसमें कम मिर्चों वाली. कम means less. मिर्चे is spicy. कम मिर्चों वाली of less spicy. कम मिर्चों वाली डिश कौन सी है? कौन सी means which one? कौन सी है? इसमें कम मिर्चों वाली डिश कौन सी है? इसमें कम मिर्चों वाली डिश कौन सी है? और यू कैन से मुझे कम मिर्चें खानी हैं. मुझे कम मिर्चें खानी हैं. मुझे कम मिर्चें खानी हैं. आई वॉन्ट टू ईट लेस स्पाइसी फूड. और मैं कम मिर्चें खाती हूँ. आई ईट लेस स्पाइसी फूड. मैं कम मिर्चें खाती हूँ. Suppose you ordered but still you want to make sure that it's less spicy, you can specifically say इसमें मिर्चें कम रखें. मिर्चें कम रखें. मिर्चें means spices, कम means less, रखें means keep. Keep it less spicy. इसमें मिर्चें कम रखें. मिर्चें कम रखें. If you want less oily, because Pakistani food is very oily, specifically the curries like nihari, pai, kadahi, all of these dishes are very oily. Sometimes they put extra oil on top of this dish. So you can say oil kam rakhein, tel kam rakhein. Tel kam rakhein. Tel is oil. Less oil. Keep less oil. Tel kam rakhein. तेल कम रखें. If you're allergic to nuts, you can say इसमें कोई nuts तो नहीं है. इसमें कोई nuts तो नहीं है. इसमें means in this नहीं है. There are no nuts here, right? इसमें कोई nuts तो नहीं है. गोश्त के बगैर डिश कौन सी है? गोश्त के बगैर without meat. गोश्त के बगैर means without. It's a postposition. गोश्त के बगैर without meat डिश कौन सी है? Which one is without meat? गोश्त के बगैर डिश कौन सी है? Now you want to order. How would you order? You'll say एक बिरयानी कर लें. कर लेना is to do. Do one बिरयानी. एक बिरयानी कर लें. एक हांडी कर लें. एक बारबेक्यू प्लाटर कर लें. रोगनी नान कर लें. 4 रोगनी नान कर लें. 2 ग्लास लस्सी. This is what I order when I go to a Desi restaurant. It's very heavy, but it's also very delicious. Or you can order raita. Raita is seasoned yogurt with cumin and mint. So a lot of people don't really like drinks, so if you want fresh juice, you can say क्या यहाँ ताज़ा जूस मिलता है? क्या यहाँ ताज़ा जूस मिलता है? ताज़ा means fresh. Instead of juice, you can also say रस. क्या यहाँ ताज़ा रस मिलता है? A lot of people just say juice, so I would just recommend using the word juice. क्या यहाँ ताज़ा जूस मिलता है? मिलना is available. Is the fresh juice available? A lot of restaurants just use syrup, so you have to ask them this question because they'll just put syrup in your glass, which is not as good. If your food is taking too long, then you can ask the waiter, खाना आने में कितनी देर लगेगी? खाना आने में in coming of the food, that's very literal obviously. खाना आने में कितनी देर लगेगी? कितनी देर, how much time लगेगी? Take. How much time it would take? खाना आने में कितनी देर लगेगी? Suppose they brought the food and your meat is not properly cooked. You can say इसमें गोश्त गला हुआ नहीं है. गला हुआ means properly cooked. इसमें means in this. इसमें गोश्त गला हुआ नहीं है. The meat is not well cooked. मिर्चें बहुत ज़्यादा हैं. इसमें मिर्चें बहुत ज़्यादा हैं. It's very spicy. There are a lot of spices in this. इसमें मिर्चें बहुत ज़्यादा हैं. ये ठीक करिए. Fix it. ये ठीक करिए. If you want to order something extra, क्या आप 2 नान और ला सकते हैं? क्या आप 2 नान और ला सकते हैं? Can you bring 2 more naans? क्या आप 2 नान और ला सकते हैं? Or means extra, additional. ला सकते हैं. Bring. If you want to go to the bathroom, you can say bathroom कहाँ है? Bathroom कहाँ है? Where is the bathroom? Bathroom कहाँ है? After you have eaten the food, the waiter will come to you and ask you खाना कैसा था? खाना कैसा था? How is the food? You can say खाना अच्छा था, खाना मज़ेदार था. खाना मज़ेदार था means the food was delicious. खाना मज़ेदार था. बिल ले आइए. बिल ले आइए. Bring the bill. Bill ले आइए. ले आना is to bring. It's a compound verb. Bill ले आइए. It's customary to tip the waiter. That is it. I hope you had a lot of fun. I had a lot of fun creating this video. If you like this video and have learned from this video, check out the other playlists that I've created. Have a good day and goodbye.